Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, you got it all over your legs. Hey guys, we're about 5 or 10 minutes away from the ice castles, and we saw this playground that Emery wanted to play at.
Who's that? Oh my gosh, this is real snow.
Yeah, it is real snow. What do you think? It was fake snow?
Yeah.
So we're playing here at this playground in a snowy field.
And we are having fun.
And we're having fun, as she said. Did you hurt your bummy? You did? It's okay. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, load up.
3, 2, 1, go.
You okay? It's okay, sweetheart. Emery wasn't in the best mood after the playground, so here's a quick montage of the ice castle that we visited.
Resuena por la pared, creando una canción. No quiero perder el ritmo.
Are you cold?
A little. Yeah.
Cold a little?
Yes.
I'm cold a little too. That one was intense, Em. Huh? That one was intense. We almost took out that guy.
Huh?
We almost took out homeboy on the ramp there.
What? What did you say, Daddy?
So we almost took him out. I almost clipped his legs. Come on, hop out.
What? That's intense.
You're a muggles. You're spoiled. You're a spoiled child. The things I do for my daughter. Emery, Daddy, double tube, round 2.
Round 2.
Round 2, here we go. And we're off. Got a late start, picking up speed. Playing catch up though. That is so rough. Heads up. Oh my gosh. You guys okay? Oh goodness. Yeah, you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right. Got it all on film. Those little stopping pads are really hard on your butt. I'm not a fan. As Emery gets another free ride. Say like and subscribe.
If you like to subscribe.
That's how I'm gonna get my viewers, Clint, with my kid.